you doing today to win? What are you doing today to simply win? Listen, success must be the loudest noise that you hear. I don't care what the fuck is going on in your life, right? I don't care about the other noise that you may have going on. You choose to silence that noise. The only thing that you want to hear is success. I hear the sound of success. And that is my focus. Are you being successful today? Did you wake up excited? No, D, I'm not excited. It's a stressful day. Started off crazy. Kids are misbehaving, getting into shit. I don't feel the best. I'm in pain. Right? Listen, those things may be valid, right? However, you have no excuse. Your focus should be on winning. I don't care what the fuck is going on in your life, right? You have to win, regardless. Win. I need to be successful. I have to be successful. Right? When want become action. Right? When excuses make their way out the door. Right? And perseverance usher its way in. Right? Because you're making a choice. I don't care what goes on in my life. I'm simply gonna win. I will tune everything else out. Right? I will find balance. And I will win. My mission today is to be successful. My mission today is to simply be successful. The choice is yours. Go win.